Hi everybody, so today I want to talk a little bit about me. If you don't know me, I want you to know me just a little bit more. If you don't know me, my name is Josiphia. I'm 32 years old. Yes, I'm not 18, I'm 32. I'm married since 5 years already, but I know my husband since around 10 or 11 years. We met in 2007, and we are in 2018. So I think I know him since 11 years, I guess, or 10, I guess, And we have a baby boy. He's one, and So about my education, I did I went to school for chemical engineering, and also I also have a certification as a chemist, formulator chemist. So yes, that's a little bit about my school and stuff. So today I really wanted to talk to you about what I always wanted to do since I was a child. When I was a child, my parents, at that time, we didn't have a lot of money. But I had some friends. I was going there all the time, and every time I was going there, they couldn't even have something to eat. They couldn't have. Every time I was going there, I was seeing like children. They were always crying because they were hungry. And in my head, I thought that my parents didn't have enough money. I thought that we didn't have enough things to eat. But every time I was going to my friend, I noticed that they don't even have what I have. Like over there, they were eating like once a day. In my house, I was eating like twice or 3 times a day. So I was much more better than them. So and every time I was going there, my heart, I was very, very in pain all the time. So sometimes I was going to my home, I was taking some rice, some food, I was putting in a big bag, and I was going there and give to my friend parents to eat, to cook and to give to their children, because they have a lot of children. And for me, the parents, I wasn't worried. All my English. I wasn't worried about the parents. I was really, really worried or in pain because of the children, the little children. So yeah, and I think at that point I decided that I really want to help orphan or people or children in need. So I talk to my husband all the time about going to an orphanage and be the mom of all those children. But because right now I can't have like a orphanage on my own, but I think I can start to help those children that do not have parents. I think I can start to help them. And every time I say, okay, I'm going to start this month, but I always have something coming on my way. It can be, sometimes it's a problem, sometimes it's something that need money. I always have something, always. So today or this month, I decided that I'm going to start doing something. It can be a little thing, but I'm going to start doing something to help those children in need. And I came here because I want you to help me too. I want you, because me right now, I can help one one kid, or I can help maybe 5 children, or let's say I can help 10 children. Yes, but I think there is more than 10 children that really need help. And I think, guys, we all together, we can do that. And I really really want you to also help. This month I decided to help children in Cameroon. Cameroon is my country, is where I came from, and I want to help some children in some orphan. I don't know how to pronounce that. So I want to help them, and it can be by paying their tuition for school. It can be by giving them food, or paying for their medical bill. I mean, or paying for food. I mean, doing something. And the first option is that I'm gonna give you a link, or I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video, where you can give every, where you can donate or give. It can be $1, it can be $5, it can be $6, it can be $2. I mean, just give the amount you want to give. That's the first option. The second option is that you can go and buy my ebook, How to Get Curly Hair, in my website, and I'm gonna take 75% of that, of the money you bought the book, to put into this. So 75% of your purchase will be given to those children. And the third option is that I have a natural Rizado brand in Cameroon. So a certain percentage of the sale of the money we're gonna have will be dedicated to those children, to what I want to do. So those are the 3 things I'm going to have. So please don't feel like you need to help, don't feel like you need to donate, don't feel like you need to buy my ebook, don't feel like, do whatever you want to do. I just want to share, and I just want to, and I need your help. If you can help, just help. If you can't help, that's fine. I'm gonna do with what I have. But I think that if I have more people with me, we can do great things. It can be something, instead of me helping one kid or 3 children, we're gonna help maybe 20 children. Why not 100 children, I'm sorry. So that's why I came today in front of you, and to talk a little bit about it. And so yeah, and maybe one day I'm gonna open my own orphanina. I don't know how to say that in English. I'm gonna open my own house for orphan, because I really want them to have a mom. I want to be their mom. I want them to go to school. I want them to have, I want those children to know that they have somebody that think about them. They have someone they can call mommy. They have someone that love them and care about them. That's what I really want. I mean, every time I postpone, and every time when I think about it, my heart is just broken. Sometimes I don't know why, but maybe it's something God put in me. I don't know. I don't really know. So yeah. So if you can help, that would be great. And also at the end of we're gonna start now. So from now on until the end of September, you can donate and donate for that. So at the end of September, I'm gonna share with you how much we collect in total, and after that, I'm gonna do what needs to be done, and I'm gonna come back here and tell you exactly what we did with the money, and maybe share pictures with you or videos. How much go for tuition, how much go for food or medical billing. I mean, I'm going to share everything with you guys. It's going to be something with clarity. And so yeah, so if you I'm going to put all the link to buy the ebook, or all the link to donate in the description below. And if you have more questions, guys, email me or keep in touch with me through my Facebook page. So yeah, so that's all for today. And if you have any questions, just let me know it also in the description below. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, guys, please subscribe. And thank you. Bye. Whew.